Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm back with another video in Thailand, and this time, guess where am I? I am at Khao. So I went to another side of Khao this time, and this time it's nearby Pakchong, and I reached my hotel at last night, and then I headed directly to this particular place. It's a dam nearby Khao. So when you go that side in Nakhon Nayok and Pakchong, you will see this windmills from long distance. And I went last evening around 4 p.m. at my hotel, and I saw this place. It was so beautiful from far. So I decided next day at around 6:30 a.m. I wake up and headed directly to here. Luckily, I see a lot of cloud, and I was like inside cloud, because when you are inside cloud, it looks like fog, but actually these are the clouds that I am in. So it was very nice place, and you can see that it is a lot of fog everywhere. I can literally see cloud next to me. You can see the beauty. For at least 15 to 20 minutes I was looking at these clouds and this dam from my eyes, and in morning it was very soothing, even though temperature in Khao was not that cool. But I came here, I literally felt I should have bring a jacket, but eventually I did not bring a jacket, and I was shivering, and I tried to find a good coffee, and I didn't like coffee here, sorry. But yeah, if you come here on the way, you can find Cafe Amazon and you can pick your coffee from there. And I would recommend you, if you go to this particular dam near Khao, you should go in early morning, which is when you can do cycling and other activities. The wind is quite heavy, and I asked the guy I came with, that person was local, and she told me that here the temperature is always like that. You can come in any season, you will always see these winding places. You will always see a lot of clouds in morning. Weather is always a bit cool at top in this particular dam and windmill place. And yes, you can rent cycles and you can go this place via cycle. I think I didn't know this time, but next time if I'm gonna go there, I will certainly go there again. But next time I'm gonna do cycling there. I'm gonna enjoy the fun of cycling at that place. It was so beautiful. You see this particular dam place where they keep water near the national park, but on the same thing I also see this expressway which was going from there. It's new expressway to go to eastern part of Thailand, and it was looking so beautiful, looking at the cars from so high in the expressway, and these clouds looks like they are next to me. It was so fun. Eventually, I came with my friend and we asked them to give a cycle for some time. Earlier, we didn't plan, so we took their cycle. Actually, you can rent cycle there for around 80 to 100 baht, so you can enjoy the place. But this time, I was not ready for cycling. I had to record video, and we were in very tight timelines, so I thought of like not doing cycling. But next time, I'm gonna come with free time and I'm gonna do a lot of cycling here. You can see the map. This windmill, I think I like it more than Pechabun windmill. This looks so beautiful from the top of the mountain, and the best thing about this place is it was totally and clearly maintained by ECAT. They had a lot of food place, a lot of cycling and activities that you can do, and yeah, it was beautiful anyways. If you come with your kids, you certainly gonna like this place. Kids will enjoy cycling and looking at the windmill, the dam place. And yes, if you're photogenic, you probably like to take photo in this grass. It looks like golden grass from long distance. All right, after that windmill, I went to another places, but on the way I stopped into a beautiful cafe. As I said, I wanted a good coffee. I went to Cafe Amazon on the way, and this Cafe Amazon looks so beautiful. It doesn't look like it's just a coffee shop. It looked like a garden and coffee shop inside that garden. Alright, after finishing my coffee, I went to Thayama Plaza. This was recommended by local people here, and this was also nice. Actually, we went here to get some food after a lot of travel, and then we found very good Japanese restaurant here. And then yes, we found this giant statue, and you can even take the sword from it. It also had this small train wherein you can enter. It looks like train from inside, and I literally enter inside it. So if you want to take photo and travel with your family and kids, you probably gonna like this place for sure. When I went, it was free, but on another given day probably they're gonna charge you for this. But yeah, it's must visit. And they also have resort, or you can see a place to stay in here. You're probably gonna like it if you even stay there, because the view from the resort is quite nice. It looked like a city, and inside city you have a lot of place to travel, and they have tried to make it as if it's a Japanese place. After getting food, we went to reception of this place, and we asked them if they can take us tour. Yes, they took us tour for free, and I'm gonna take you right to this place. How beautiful is it? I was sitting in a cart behind, so I could take the view while the cart was moving. And yeah, finally I found giants. This was man-made, but yeah, it was beautifully made. And I found Hulk, not just this place. I will show you another place I found Hulk. It was out of nowhere. So while I was walking on these stones, and then I saw this waterfall, beautiful location, and I found Hulk again. Here you see, standing on the mountain. Maybe that's the reason nowadays Hulk doesn't come much in Avengers, because he's standing over there and don't know how to jump out of water. I saw they had a lot of hotel rooms, and then they were still building new rooms. So you can see that mountain far away from here. So if you stay in this place, you're probably gonna like the vibe of this place, and you can stay here, enjoy the Japanese culture probably, because they try to make in Japanese way. So it's a must visit, and probably next time I'm gonna stay in hotel in here. Places. Yeah, this was another short trip to Khao and Pakchong. I'm gonna come there again, so I'm gonna make video again for sure. But for now, that should be it for this video. Have a good day and see you again on Coffee with Sachin. Bye bye.